Hello everyone, this is our project Amarana Residences at 2Bhk Tangra near JW Marriott Hotel at EM Bypass. So you can see this is a 2 BHK sample apartment of 945 square feet sellable area. So now you can see that this is the main entry of the flat, and just adjacent to that you can see this is the beautiful kitchen with L pattern countertop along with stainless sink, and this is black granite countertop along with separate space for refrigerator. You can see the space, and just see ample space in the kitchen with a big size French window. Now come. So this is the living cum dining area of our project. So see the beautiful living cum dining. It's about 14 feet long into 14 feet in breadth. It's a square size living cum dining. Beautiful pattern, and just front of the living cum dining area you can see this is the balcony space along with this living cum dining, and from this balcony you can see the view of this playground. This playground is just outside our complex. Beautiful view, and again see this is the lobby space, and this is the entrance, and this is the living cum dining area. And now come, we are entering into the lobby, and just on my left hand side you can see it's a common toilet. See separate space for bath and the basin area also. And now again come this side, just on my left side you can see this is the first bedroom. Beautiful first bedroom. This size of the bedroom is approximately 12 feet by 11 feet with a very big size wardrobe space. And see the view from this bedroom. So this is the view from the bedroom with all AC points have been given. And come, now come this side. So again this is the lobby, and from this lobby we are entering into the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. So see the space. The size of this master bedroom is approximately 11 feet by 12 feet, and with this master bedroom also you will get AC points and a beautiful view of outside. And see open area just outside this complex, and see this master bedroom is having an attached toilet space. So this is the attached toilet along with separate basin space. western commode and the bath space. So it's the attached toilet area. So now come again. So again this is the lobby space. On my right side this is the second bedroom, and again on my left side this is the common toilet space, and just see, this is the living cum dining area along with the kitchen space. So if you are interested, then please call as early as possible, because we are having very limited number of units left, and this location is excellent. You can see the location and just zooming. So this is on bypass, only 1.1 kilometer from EM bypass, JW Marriott Hotel. So it's an excellent space as far as the connectivity is concerned. So thank you everyone, thanks for watching. We are having some excellent offers and discounts going on for very limited period. So if you are interested, then please call. We are waiting for your valuable feedback and responses. Thanks a lot again. Have a great day.